check him out, man. It says 26s, but they look a little tall to be 6s, but it might not be. Got the 4Gs, man. And the color flip on that. You guys see that as we go around it? Yeah, man, I hope the camera picks that up. Damn, you see him? And he wiping it down. Look at him, check him out, man. He getting it wiped down. Looking good. We gotta go up the side of the paint one time, man. Yeah, it looks good, brother. Yeah, I'll come around that side and get it one time for you. Yeah, check him out, man. The color flip nasty. Look, he back here. He got a wipe down. We go check out the inside when we come down this one. Check out the mirror flip. You see it flip? No, nasty, man. I like the flip. We got the Gator dash in there. You see him? Man, check out them seats. There's some work in that now. Check out the back. Check out the back. He got the back done too. Got the Impala logo down there. You see it? SS. Got the speakers, the whole back dash done, and the door panels. Damn, look at that. I didn't notice that for a minute. Look, he got speakers right there in the door panel. Boy, you know that, talking to him. Got the big roof up there. You see him got the panoramic flip. Check him out. Yeah, we could go across this trunk one time and check him out where he got a wipe down good. Damn, look at the, you can see the pearl in it, man. Nice, nice. Looking good, looking good. We gonna let him get to it, guys, and we gonna keep on rolling. All right, brother, have a good day. I like this, man. This looks good. Check him out one more time as we roll past on the 4Gs. You see him? Woo! There he goes.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.